Hello everyone, this is Shomapal and I would like to present before you my project Chess 3.0. So what is Chess 3.0? It is basically a mobile app for people to actually stake their tokens, play competitive chess games and earn tokens and NFTs. So this project has been built using React Native and Morales Ethereum React Native boilerplates, along with some help from Solidity and Remix so that I can host my smart contracts. So I would directly go to the app itself. So first this screen comes up where we can authenticate using our MetaMask wallet. So this often takes a bit of time and often some network lags happen due to which this might take some time. Let's see. So by that time, I can discuss the architecture of the app itself. So basically, we save information regarding the players and the game's metadata, like stake tokens, outcomes, etc. on chain, while we save the moves off chain. So validation of moves is generally on local client systems. So if anyone cheats, both are returned their tokens, creating a scenario of technically no incentive for anyone to cheat. So one of the drawbacks is that current smart contract functions cannot be called using Morales Web3 API on React Native. So although the functionalities exist, Morales team themselves have discussed they haven't been able to enable notifications on MetaMask, which allows signed transactions to happen on the smart contract functions. Hence, right now we only have a fee paying function. However, the smart contract itself has the staking functionality. And the chess logic could have been on chain, but it has been kept off chain for it. And we also have an incentive mechanism where on cheating, the cheater doesn't benefit per se, hence creating the general ethos of not manipulating the game logic on client systems. If at all a manipulation is done, then the move state of 2 is sent to the smart contract, which technically returns the stake tokens. So further scope is basically technically can be expanded to all real money multiplayer games, and basically it's difficult to have it for single player games with off-chain logic because there is no mechanism for checking whether an instance of cheating has happened, except for having off-chain oracles, which again would only work for games with strict logic and not for ones like Flappy Bird, etc. So I think my network has been activated, so I'll sign the transaction. I think this might now work. I think it does not work per se. Let's see. We have a signed transaction. So here we can see the app itself. So here we have games, we have streams, we have a profile that has all the NFTs and matches one. We go to here, we can enter, we can either create a new game or we can join a game. So right now I'm creating a new game, while at the same time I will basically join from another phone. I'll just create something like 0.05. I'll just create a game. So right now we have an transaction that will take place. We can reject it. For now we can reject it, but technically on confirmation and rejection, in currently in both cases we allow the game to be proceed, and in the case we do reject it, to basically create a game with zero matic. So we can start the streaming part. Here we can see we can do moves. So basically once the moves are done, so these black moves I'm doing, so once these moves are done, so once we win the game, so basically the B here, for example, black is the winner. So basically he has 10.1 matic. We can upload the stream because the stream has stopped. We can upload it to IPFS, or we can directly go to home. And as of now, all the chess moves are actually saved on Morales DB. And so basically, the inspiration has come from their chat app itself. So basically, what happens is we save all the chat, just like they had saved all the chat information in the DB. We are saving the move information in the DB. And as and when there is an update, we basically take the moves. We see what's the last move. If it's by the opponent, we just update the move. So we can again go back to home and we can just come to this state. So that's the app itself, and this is on Android right now. Thank you.